This is a pineapple turbocharger. As the name suggests, it's going to provide you some energy, but it's also going to help to keep you full. So what we do, we put a couple of pieces of pineapple in there. They could be fresh or frozen, packed full of bromelain, terrific for the digestive tract, helping to soothe the gut as well. In there some ginger for circulation and also to help with the nervous system, but that's also great because it revs you up also, and some celery. Now the pineapple is going to mask the flavour of celery, so if you don't like it, don't worry. In there too, one of my all-time favourites is some coconut water, packed full of electrolytes, wonderful again for that energy that we all want. So this one is going to give you a terrific kickstart, or if you need that energy boost later on in the day, it's perfect for that as well.